Good day. It's Brightest Life. Welcome back. Today our topic to be discussed is about essential oils for healthy hair. Let's get healthy together. Please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Click the bell button to keep you updated. Essential oils can improve hair health significantly. Essential oils have been proven to be just as effective as conventional hair care products. They are also much safer with many fewer side effects. Essential oils also have numerous beneficial effects besides those on hair. They can fight skin infections. The main benefit of essential oils is that they're much safer than traditional hair care products. Conventional hair care products often have a wide variety of nasty chemicals in them. These chemicals may be effective if used properly on hair. Lavender can promote healthy hair growth. Lavender oil also helps the hair follicles become stronger. Lavender has antimicrobial effects, and it can battle bacteria and fungus. It can help people with irritated scalps and dry hair. Ingredients: 8 to 10 drops lavender essential oil, 4 teaspoon carrier oil, olive oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, etc. Instructions: blend the preferred amount of lavender oil into the carrier oil of choice. Massage the blend into the scalp and leave it in overnight. Wash it out in the morning. Rosemary oil is known for being one of the best essential hair oils. It can stimulate hair thickness and help hair grow as well as help damaged hair heal. Rosemary oil has shown to prevent baldness. This is not the only anti-aging effect it has on hair. It can also slow the graying process when used on a regular basis. It is an excellent natural remedy for treating both dandruff and the related condition of dry scalp. Ingredients: 3 to 5 drops rosemary oil, 3 to 5 drops olive oil. Instructions: mix the olive oil and rosemary oil. Massage this solution into the scalp for 2 minutes. Leave the mixture on the scalp for 4 hours. Wash hair thoroughly. Chamomile oil is a great essential oil for many parts of the body, including hair. It can help hair become shinier and softer. Many people have dry, gritty, and dull hair. This can be due to poor scalp hygiene or simply bad genetics. Chamomile can help immensely. Instructions and ingredients: Ingredients: 5 drops chamomile oil, 1 TBS sea salt, 1/3 cup baking soda, 1 cup warm water. Instructions: mix all the ingredients together until a paste is produced. Put the mixture on the hair. Massage the paste into the scalp. Allow the mixture to sit for half an hour. Rinse it out. Cedarwood oil can help problems with hair growth by increasing circulation to the scalp area. This can help increase hair growth and slow hair loss. Using cedarwood oil for hair growth can be as simple as adding 5 drops of the essential oil to 1 tablespoon of shampoo and washing like normal. Clary sage oil is an excellent natural remedy for hives and rashes, and it is a potent antimicrobial. Clary sage can help balance out hormones. Clary sage is an excellent natural treatment for stress-related hair loss. Ingredients: 10 drops clary sage essential oil, 1 to 2 teaspoon coconut oil. Instructions: mix the clary sage into the coconut oil until fully incorporated. Massage the mixture into the scalp. Brush hair to coat all strands evenly. This will leave hair shiny and soft, and regular use can encourage healthy hair growth. Lemongrass essential oil is an excellent cleaner and an excellent deodorant. It can strengthen hair follicles and soothe an irritated scalp. Lemongrass can also significantly reduce the severity of dandruff. Lemongrass oil can be applied by simply massaging in a couple of drops into the scalp. Peppermint oil can help stimulate the scalp. It can treat dandruff and lice because it is a powerful antiseptic. Peppermint has an enjoyable cooling feeling when put on the skin. It can help reduce skin inflammation. Use peppermint oil is put a couple drops of it in a shampoo or conditioner. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. We will be pleased if you subscribe, like, comment and share this video. To keep you updated, please click the notification button below. Let's get healthy together. God bless and stay healthy and safe everyone.